When making insecticide, your first instrument should be your mask. Always have your mask on. Okay, my nose mask is on now, and it protects not just your nose but your mouth. This is DD Force and this is Sniper. They're both 100 ml. We have a lot of them in the market. It's just for you to work with the one you like. If your Kero is white in color, I advise you go with Sniper, and if your Kero is yellowish in color, I advise you go with DD Force. But right now we're going to be making use of Sniper because the color of our Kero is white. This is our industrial camphor. This is our insect formula, and this is called IPA. If you're making use of this IPA, it's advisable that you don't use too much of it because of asthmatic patients, ajabibi, and I use this one, but yeah, just so you know that there are a whole lot of things. It's another insect formula. Like, the more effective it gets on insects, the more toxic and unpleasant it gets for us humans. So it's advisable that while you spray this in your house or in your environment or wherever you spray, you leave that place for a while, at least 30 minutes or something, so the sensitivity gets to reduce. I have 3 liters in here, so we'll be making 3 liters of this can is called groundnut bottle can, and then this is known as a spray gun. It's much more preferable. It has this thingy here where you could turn it off and turn it to spray. That's because if you don't turn it to spray, it doesn't get to spray. But this is like the number one that everybody uses, so you just have to like make use of what you like. Only do it when it's requested for, and let's get straight to business. And this is my bucket. Just come up with anything, and I like going first with my Cairo. So let's at some point at some point you're gonna have this little dirt like all over your finished product, but you see how I get to work with that. I have my Sniper opened up, and always make sure after doing the stuff you get to like wash your hands thoroughly. This is my Sniper, so I'll just turn it in. Try to avoid eating eba because we don't want to make any mistakes, so just try and avoid eating eba for the whole of that day, and next, if possible, just for your own health. So we're done with this. So I had to split this industrial camphor into two because we're making 3 liters, and the other one is going to be for my other 2 liters. It's in now, so stirring. Next, we're adding our insect formula. Stirring. This is our IPA. Remember what I said about making sure you don't add too much. I talked about having dirt in your products. Always go in with this tiny net that takes away the dirt. So you're going to take from here. Initially you're supposed to let this sit for a while. I'm going to let this rest for close to maybe an hour or so it takes time to come together. And then when I take from here, I pour it in here. That's all it takes. Like, always do this outdoors and not indoors, and we're done. Thank you very much for watching, and have a blessed day ahead.